Big Papa here with another quick hit, a little hack using Tabasco. I'm gonna show you how to make sauteed onions on your smoker. So we're gonna take the onions, we're gonna dump them on the foil like this. I'm taking the sweet onion. You can use any onion you want. I just happen to like the sweet onions a lot. First, I'm gonna take some little Louies, and the measurements are very precise. It's probably gonna be about a half a teaspoon. Little Louies is a seasoned garlic salt with black pepper. See, so you want just kind of a nice coverage there. Okay, I'm gonna toss that there. Now I'm gonna put the secret weapon, Tabasco. You know, this Tabasco has been around for 150 years. Each bottle you have sat in an oak cask for 3 years. They will serve no Tabasco before it's time. I'm gonna put about 3 pads of butter in here. And now, I'm gonna seal it up. I've got it wrapped up. It's got the little Louies, it's got the butter, it's got the sweet onions, and it's got the Tabasco. It's gonna go on the smoker that's set to 300 for about 20 minutes. What's great about creating flavors with few ingredients is I've got the sweetness from the sweet onions that's gonna mix with the butter and the Tabasco and create kind of a little sauce. And it's always good when you're creating flavor profiles to think in terms if you're gonna use heat, have a little sweet. If you're gonna use savory, have a little heat. You're always bouncing off of them to create a great flavor. Okay, I pulled the onions off the cooker and I'm ready for the unveiling. Tabasco, butter, little Louies. You don't have to tell anybody that you did this in a foil bag you made yourself. You can tell them you spent hours slowly caramelizing these onions. Here comes the onions.